Hey everyone, this is the Philips TurboStar Air Fryer, and this is the only air fryer you're gonna need. So just to take a look at the inside, here we go. There's the air fryer basket. It's super easy to clean. You could just take this all apart, just like this. Let it take this part out. And you can even take this handle out, just pull here, and there you go. You can just go ahead and throw it all in your dishwasher, and you're good to go. Or you can hand wash if you wanted to. Here is the bottom. This is what makes it special. It has this turbo star in the middle. It's going to circulate the air and have everything nice and air fried. Okay, now I'm going to put this back and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use the Philips TurboStar Air Fryer. So I'm going to make some air fried chicken thighs that are marinated. So the chicken's marinated with this Chef Merito chicken marinade, which is the best chicken marinade out there. Definitely recommend this. So this is the only marinade you can eat for chicken, trust me. I also recommend using this Bertolli extra virgin olive oil, which is the B. Nice and healthy, and all you will need is a tablespoon of this, and the chicken will come out nicely browned. Okay, so to get started, all you need is a 1 gallon Ziploc bag, and then you get your chicken thighs, and you use the marinade you see right here, and leave it in our fridge for about half an hour to an hour. Okay, so now I'm going to take the chicken and put it in the air fryer basket. Just go ahead and lay it down in there. It does cook better if you put it by the sides on the outside, but the inside also cooks well. And there we go. The last piece of chicken is in, and you can take a look at how it looks there. So we're done with putting the chicken in. And what you're going to do now is you're going to take your Bertolli extra virgin olive oil, get 1 tablespoon, and just spread it lightly over all the chicken right on top. And that's it. That's all the olive oil you're going to need for this recipe. Okay. Put it in the air fryer. Alright, so it's really easy to use this air fryer. All you're going to do is power it on, and there's different settings for depending on what you're going to cook. So you're going to press this button right here and cycle through the different settings depending on what you're cooking. So I'm just going to show you some right here. It's chicken, fish, steak, and the setting we want is chicken. So once it's on chicken, you see that it's automatically preset to 350 degrees and 20 minutes. Go ahead and press this center button here and press it one more time to confirm you want to cook it for 20 minutes. And there you go. It's going to get started just like that. And the thing about this air fryer, it's not obnoxiously loud. It does vent some air out, but it's very tolerable. All right, so we're going to come back in 20 minutes and I'm going to show you how good this chicken's going to look. And I wish you guys can taste it because it tastes so good with this air fry. All right, and here we go. Our air fried chicken is done. Let's go ahead and take a look. Well, you hear that sizzling right there? Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of chicken, cut it open, you guys can see how well it cooked on the inside. So take a look at that. Nice, well cooked. This smells and tastes just like it came out of the barbecue grill. So yeah, definitely recommend the Philips TurboStar Air Fryer. This is going to make cooking a lot easier, and it's air fried, so it's nice and healthy. I've been eating healthier food, and I've been cooking a lot more because this makes it so easy to do. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys in the next one.